Hey, what's going on guys, Fred Tech Up here. So this is the all new Tecno Spark 7P. I guess the P should stand for Pro. The Tecno Spark 7P is the 7th generation smartphone under Tecno Spark series. And wow, finally the Spark 7P here is a huge upgrade from all the previous Spark series. The Spark series has never offered something too exciting before. The Spark series has always been at a lower level of Tecno devices. This is the first time I can easily recommend it without any if word, without any hesitation, without a second thought. Yeah, it is that good being an entry-level device. So in this video I'm going to unbox it and give you guys my honest review. But first, let's start with the unboxing experience. When you open the box, you're greeted with a gift box that houses a SIM ejector tool, a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, which is always standard on all Tecno smartphones, and a transparent silicone case. Moving on, we've got the device itself wrapped in a plastic case with some key highlights about it. Next is a 5-volt charging brick, a micro USB charging cable, and the earpiece. So back to the device, I have to say that I am really impressed with the design here. It is very massive and the bottom chin is very noticeable. It has a matte texture, making it easy to wipe off if it ever catches smudges or fingerprints, which I doubt. As you can see, the Spark branding is big on here, making you believe that this one is different from its previous device. It is made from plastic, which is a gold standard material if you want a device in this price point. The Spark 7P is a beautiful device that will appeal to a lot of people. I personally love the whole design, even though it is rather too big. Okay, so on the right side of the device we've got the power button and the volume rocker keys. To the left we've got a SIM tray that can take dual nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the bottom we've got the headphone jack, a micro USB charging port, and a speaker grill. On top we have nothing. At the rear houses a triple camera setup with a quad flash, a fingerprint scanner, and a big bold Spark branding. Moving on to the front of the device, we've got a large 6.82-inch 90Hz IPS HD Plus display that outputs a resolution of 720 by 1640. The display is sharp enough for watching YouTube videos, playing games, and browsing the internet. This is an entry-level device, so don't expect it to be like AMOLED display. The rear-mounted fingerprint scanner on here is fast, very fast. My only problem with it is the sensor itself. I feel like it is too small. It is not big enough to accommodate my finger, so people with large thumbnail might have a hard time trying to adjust their fingers. Other than that, it is perfect. Unlock is also present just in case you want to use it. The down-firing speaker on the Tecno Spark 7P is decent but not too loud. Okay, let's move on to why the Tecno Spark 7P is very impressive and why it is different from its predecessor. Let's talk specification. On the spec sheet, the Tecno Spark 7P comes with the Mediatek Helio G70 processor, 4GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, 90Hz fast refresh rate, and a huge 5000 mAh battery. Android 11 is what the Spark 7 comes out of the box with a custom skin, which is Tecno iOS version 7.6. Okay, as I said initially, the Tecno Spark 7P is a major and huge upgrade from its previous series. Performance is really on point for most tasks. Scrolling through the user interface, navigating through different apps is really impressive for a Spark device. This is something I cannot say about the previous device. The Spark 7P is really impressive for what it is. The experience is good for an entry-level device. The 90Hz refresh rate helps the Spark 7P with a smooth experience. I'm not saying this device is entirely smooth or it is the best device out there. However, if you look at what the Spark series used to be, you realize that the performance it offers is a major upgrade. Gaming is very fine on low to medium graphics settings. You can play PUBG on medium settings and play most demanding games on medium settings too. Overall, performance is very good for a Spark device. The Spark 7P also has a new feature called Bluetooth Audio Share. It lets you simply share audio with as many people as possible. Okay, let's talk about the camera. If you're considering a Spark device, the camera shouldn't be the thing to look out for, because the Tecno Spark 7P here is not a camera-centric device by any means. The Spark 7P here comes with 60 megapixels main sensor, a 2 megapixels depth sensor, and an AI lens. Then on the front side, it comes with just 8 megapixel selfie camera. With this type of camera specification, it clearly shows that the Tecno Spark 7P is not a device that focuses its attention more to the camera, but that doesn't mean it cannot take decent photos. For the most part, the images that comes out of it is very decent when there's good light. It has some details to most of its images, and I believe it will please most people. As I said initially, this is not a camera-centric device, so don't expect anything groundbreaking. Just go through the images and tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. The Tecno Spark 7P has a super night mode. For an entry-level device, listen to this, this is not something you should take very seriously. But for the most part, it will do the job, okay? So the Spark 7P can shoot video in 2K resolution at 30 frames per second or 1080p 30 frames per second. I find the 2K footage to be a lot sharper and better than the 1080p footage. However, dynamic range is where it is really lacking behind.
What's up guys, so this is a video from the front facing camera on the Tecno Spark 7P. So this can only shoot in 2K 30 frames per second, and you guys know the camera is not really its main selling point, but for the most part I think it looks okay. But you guys should be the final judge here. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below.
About the battery life, the Spark 7P comes with a 5000 mAh battery and it is very decent. It is a comfortable 2-day device if you are an average user. For a heavy user, it should comfortably last for a whole day or more. Where the problem comes in is lack of fast charging. The 10-watt charger it comes with took exactly 3 hours and 15 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. So you see, you cannot really have it all. So in conclusion, the Tecno Spark 7P is a major upgrade from its previous series or the lineup, and I feel like it is a step in the right direction for Tecno. If a Spark device can be this good, it means something much better is coming from the more expensive ones, right? I am so impressed with what the Spark 7P has been able to deliver, especially on the performance aspect. As at the time of making this video, the price is unknown for now, but expect it to go in line with how the previous device was priced. I will also update the price in my pinned comment and description box once I get the right price. If you're thinking of getting the Spark 7P right away, you can pre-order using the link below and stand a chance of winning up to ₦1,000,000 via the regional raffle draw and other gift items including washing machine, television sets and more. You will also get a brand new Tecno wristband worth 7,500 naira when you make payment for your pre-ordered phone. Alright, so that has been it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about this new device. Alright, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.